Hello guys, good morning. Ito ang aking breakfast. Macaroni pasta, hot coffee, at tatlong pandesal na nilagyan ko na ng palamang, peanut butter. Tara, let's eat! Sarap ng macaroni pasta na mayroong pandesal, mayroong peanut butter. Sarap! With that coffee.